Aga Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about these Lime Crime liquid liners. They're the Venus liner and they are on my eyeballs right now. And if you guys want to tune in and check out what the excitement's all about, these were released last week, so tune in and I'll tell you all about them and how I feel about them. Check this out. Let's not waste any more time. We need to get to the bottom of this. I'm so excited. Look at this box. It's so cute. And here they are. Ugh, I cannot wait. So I got the Oasis, the Butterfly, and the Wisteria. So it's like a purple, a darker blue, and a baby blue. Let's play with these beauties. I don't know where to start. Blue, purple. Okay, this is the purple. Let's see how it is. They're cold because they were outside. I wonder if that's gonna like affect it somehow. I don't think so. The packaging is really pretty. I like it. There's Venus right there. It's gold. I'm gonna try this on my hand for lines. They are PETA approved. It says shake before use. I did not do that. And actually it kind of felt like it's a little, like not bold, but sometimes I do have to do a little bit of maneuvering. And these were outside, so they're cold a little bit. So let's warm them up and shake them around and check it out again. I don't know, I can't tell. It seems like, you know, sometimes you do have to do more than one coat, so I don't know. It's the Lime Crime Venus liner. It's a liquid liner and it's 0.079 FL ounces liquid. They're made in the USA. We're gonna try the Oasis now. I'm having a hard time like opening them at first. And that's the blue, the darker blue. Last but not least, Butterfly. Shake it up. Oh, this one is so pretty. I love. It is like baby blue, but like the best baby blue ever. And actually I just love the pink and the baby blue together because I don't know, just for some reason these two colors always made me happy together. And then just paint that sucker on there. Yeah, it's cool. Should we draw something on my eyeballs? Like, yeah, I don't know if they're waterproof. I feel like lately a lot of companies aren't telling me if their stuff's waterproof or not. I'm gonna assume it's not, because usually if something's waterproof, then it says it. But I will run my hand under the water and let you guys know when I'm done drawing. So I'm just going for it. Or no, I'm gonna start with the darker blue. It's odd to me how it doesn't like stain the whole wand. It just kind of stains the tip. I don't know. Let's draw. I just realized, I don't know if it was overexposed when I recorded that part. Let's see here, I moved my mirror. If it was overexposed, I'll add on to it, guys, so you can see. I wanna make sure you guys can see this. Can you see? Ooh, feels wet still, so like I guess it needs a little time to dry. I'm gonna do, man, I don't know if I should do, I'm gonna do the purple on this other eye. Oh man, that's off. They're not matching. Awkward. Oh, I'll fix it, don't worry. Guys, come on. Now I'm gonna use the baby blue and kind of tie them together. I'm moving my card out of the way. I feel like it's taking focus out. Ooh, pretty. And on this one, I'm gonna do underneath the purple. actually, like on my eyes, they draw really well. They're quite potent. And I'm gonna go back in with the purple just to like touch it up and crisp out that line. And same with the blue. Now I'm gonna tie this side to this side, and I'm gonna do purple under here. Then I'm gonna do the dark blue under this one. I'll definitely use these in more looks as I go, but I just could not wait to show you guys these right away, so I had to post them up immediately, and they legit came right now. I was like, well, I guess we're sitting down and doing this. It's happening. I feel like my light is so bright, you guys. I don't know if you can even see good. I'm gonna do my little heart in the blue. It's not even like a heart anymore at this part of the day. This is makeup I've worn all day, guys, so don't judge me. I mean, they draw on really well. I gotta say, I have no problem getting color and whatever, so that's good. Feeling pretty good about them. Kind of want to get all the colors, but you know, they're $18 a piece, so they're not cheap, you know? And so I only got these 3. I really wanted to get the black one and the white one, but I figured I would just go with fun colors because I have so many different eyeliners in white and black, so I was like, I gotta start here, but maybe I'm gonna have to just get the whole set. I really love this baby blue color. Honestly, wanna kinda use it in the front here. You do have to like let them dry because I can see they're still wet. They take a little bit to dry, so you know. When I'm on tour, I use this little fan. I have like a little fan that I keep in my makeup bag that I can turn on at any time and it'll dry this kind of stuff, but I don't have it up here, but I wish I did. It's real nice because you can just fan it real quick. Like if you're near a blow dryer, you can use that too. Or you could just do this. Or this. I'm gonna put on some mascara because I definitely like got it on my lashes because I already had lashes on. So yeah. I'm gonna add a little purple in the heart too. These are the Venus Viva liners. I'm gonna go try to run water over this and see if this is waterproof. They're definitely not smudging when I like do that, so that's pretty cool because sometimes these things you'll like notice they right away start smudging, so they're not moving and I'm pushing really hard. That's really great. I'm not sad about that. They feel kinda dry-ish on my eyes, but I can't tell you if they're gonna like crack. They actually feel like they might not like completely crack. I don't know. On my hand, I can't tell. I mean, with these kind of liners, it's hard. Most of them do crack a little bit, depending on which part, you know, where you have it at, but honestly, these feel all right. They don't feel like they're cracking, so that's good. They're a little dry, like, let me think about it. Yeah, I can feel them a little bit. They are thicker, but I feel like most people aren't gonna wear this giant shape. So I don't know, I guess for just the eyeliner part, it might still be a little thick, but the colors are beautiful, so that makes it feel like it'll be worth it. Okay, they are definitely not waterproof. I ran water through them. I did like rub gently just to see, because obviously, you know, just water running through it might not completely make it come off, but it certainly is not waterproof, because with waterproof liner, it would take a lot more something else to make it come off, and I barely touched it, but just kind of like, just to see. So they aren't waterproof, so that's something to take into consideration. They're fun to draw with. I had no problem. The tip is nice, it's a good thickness. It's not like super thin, but you can make it thinner if you'd like. You know, you can kind of push it up and draw smaller lines if you want. Packaging's really cute. I love that. Not that that really matters, but sometimes it does. I feel like it's something that people look forward to, I guess. You know, they want nice things, and these are nice things. So if you've been curious and you want to know more about them, I'm glad you joined me. I hope that helped a little bit. Kind of forgetting that they're there, but yeah, it is, I guess, yeah, I can feel them on my eyeballs. If I'm conscious of it, they're there, they're there. Like, I'm sure throughout the day I would forget eventually, but it feels a little tight, if that makes any sense. Like, where you just feel like you know you have eyeliner on, and obviously the goal usually would be to not feel like you have eyeliner on, but they drew on really good and really solid. These solid colors, I imagine companies kind of have to make them a little bit thicker, because otherwise it wouldn't show the color well. So I imagine that's what they had to do. They feel comparable to the NYX liners. If you've tried those, I would say kind of similar. I wish I had one up here. Oh, I do. So I'm gonna try this NYX on my hand, which these also are not waterproof. I use them and I like them. This is a little thicker. This one's red, if you've not tried it, but like thicker consistency, if that makes any sense when I'm drawing it. This one feels more watery, but maybe that's because this is newer, I don't know. They're very similar, I would say. The NYX kind of feels like it dried a little quicker than the Lime Prime. Both seem equally wrinkly and crackly on my hand. The NYX is really matte. The Lime Prime is drying matte as well. So I like that. They are matte. They're not like glossy, which I don't know why. With eyeliners, I just like them to be matte. I just want them to be matte. And if I want glossy, then I want the option to be like glossy version. Or maybe they need to come out with something that's like goes over anything to be glossy. Kind of like with lipstick. You could put on matte lipstick and then you could put glossy stuff over it. I don't know, but I guess that wouldn't work, would it? Anyway, maybe put like your glue over it. I don't know, would that work? Maybe? I don't know. Overall, I feel like these are actually very similar. So if you've ever tried the NYX liners, this is very much like that. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching my video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I am a newer YouTuber and I want to keep doing this. So it would mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. If you're somebody that's been coming here, hanging out, supporting me through everything, I really appreciate it. I know I keep saying that, but like, you guys have no idea. It keeps growing and growing, and it's so cool to watch. I'm having so much fun, it's crazy. You guys have no idea. I look forward to this. That's my thing. I'm so pumped. I keep thinking of new ideas and new things to film for you guys, and it's just like really keeping me happy through everything in life that happens. It's funny how I guess with YouTube I feel like I can get a little bit lost in this moment and just do my creative thing and just film these videos and have fun, and I do have fun. So yeah, I want to keep continuing to do this, which I'm going to, whether people subscribe or not. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it really just is fun for me. Thanks for joining me, and hope to see you back soon. If you've not been here before, go check out some of my other videos. I have like 70, but the first few are. So don't look at the first ones, those suck. But yeah, I mean, I'm trying to get better. Who knows, who knows? Maybe I won't, maybe I will. Hopefully I get the hang of this thing, cause yeah. All right guys, bye.